Hello everybody, boys and girls, big boys, man, or whatever you guys want to call yourself. We all little kids playing with toys. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what finally here. The Monte Carlo from Redcat Racing. It's another lowrider. This is a 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, fully functional lowrider. Let's open it up and see what's going on inside. Now, while we open this thing out, I just want to express that this cardboard box that it's come with is not nice as the 64 Impala. The 64 Impala box, the packaging was much nicer. Just this one is just sealed over here. You're gonna have to cut it. And then when you open it inside, please be careful. There is some stuff on the top over here. You're gonna have all the cable, the charging cable and everything. Then you're gonna have to grab from inside here. There is a remote right there. So you're gonna have to lift it. And then, like this, you pull it out without the remote. We're going to put this foam sideways. And then, this is the remote that comes with it. This is multifunction remote. This is going to let you lift one side, another side, pop in a wheelie, and all the other goodies, forward, backward, left, and right, of course. So, this is very simple, real quick about the remote. Now, the vehicle itself actually comes already with a nice car cover on it. It's really nice. Let's pull it out. You have to do that very gently. Okay, and there it is. Sorry for the noises and everything. I'm a little bit sick. But I still decided to do the video for you. I don't have corona or anything, it just flew. Okay. Anyway, so without any further ado, let's see what there is underneath. Dum da da dum! And there it is, the Chevy Monte Carlo from Redcat Racing. Now, it's a very cool vehicle, very nice details on it. Let's bring the camera down a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. There it is. Okay, now, when you look at it at first glance, you can see that it looks like a little bit shorter than the 64 Impala. Later, I'm going to compare them one to one to see which one is nicer. It's actually like the grills and everything, I think in the Impala look a little bit nicer. When you flip the vehicle on the bottom, it's look kind of exactly the same platform. So it's very similar. I bet you it's the same part number and everything. Now, regarding this thing being lowrider, a lot of people that new to the hobby don't know what this thing can do. So it can lift the front, left and right. Oops, I can pop the body. And there it is. The body is with a magnet. Let's pull it out also on the back. There is a hinge. Okay, so there is a couple changes that they did. After you open it, you can see the two servo, for the dumping is on the front to bring the car up and down. They changed it a little bit, so it is a little bit shorter chassis. The entire vehicle look a little bit different. I was mistaken when I was saying earlier that it's like the same platform. It's not. It's look like actually something completely different, and it's a good thing because I can already think in my head how many different vehicles we can fit this thing in. Also, this thing have a hinge on it on the back that help you open it and close it. So the vehicle is actually open and closed, and then when you bring it back down, it's gonna get locked. So you have here two 25 kilogram servos for the shock, the front shocks, and then you have the two 25 kilogram shocks for the back. I'm trying to figure out if this one have like the weight for the back, and I'm sure it is. I just need to find it in the box. Of course, it's come with the nickel metal 7.2 volt battery. You have the small steering servo. Later on, if you ever mess this thing up, go with a little bit stronger servo. I saw in the previous model that some of them was breaking very easily. So you're going to want to replace it. Overall, it's very good looking vehicle. Let's close it back. So when you close it back, yeah, it just fall into place. Let's see, that's it. It just fall into place. And those vehicles available right now at Motor Styles Hobby Shop in Granada Hills. And if you haven't been in our new shop yet, ta-da! We are located at 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills. It's a problem to take a video like this because there is so much light outside. And we have also a lot of parts and all kind of other goodies. So, we got those at the shop. They're about $600 plus whatever tax is going to be. And we have it also in the green. I'm going to make later another video showing the difference between the green and the purple. They're both really nice. And then I'm going to make another video showing this in comparison to the 64 Impala to see where we have more value. It's always important. You know that I like to show you guys the truth about what's going on inside. I don't care what the companies want. I want whatever good for my customers. So I'm definitely going to do that for you guys. See you in my next video. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, Motor Styles Hobby Shop, bringing you 64. It's not 64. It's a 69 Impala. Sorry guys, again, I'm a little bit sick, but I'm still trying to do that, so we're going to keep running. Bye.